So hello, everybody. So hopefully you have been enjoying your time so far here at the Disrupt Space Summit. We see a lot of conversations going on and conversations that don't want to end, which we like to see, but we also, I think, are coming up with a very interesting hour. So the next hour will be challenge presentations. So at the summit, we have 6 challenges that will be presented by 6 different organizations. And these challenges will be worked on by the aspiring entrepreneurs. So they know all about it. They had a team formation activity last night, and they're really anxious to get started. So over the next hour, we're going to be able to find out exactly what these challenges are and how the aspiring entrepreneurs, or to get the aspiring entrepreneurs to think a bit more deeply about how they may be able to solve it. So for the first presentation, I'm very happy to announce Valeria. She's from the United Nations World Food Program. So this is the first challenge. So everyone, Valeria.
So, hi everyone, my name is Valeria, and I would like to change completely the topic you're talking here about, and I would love to talk with you about hunger. So, some of you may now have this question in the head, is hunger actually still a real problem? Because the humanity is very advanced, right? We already fly into space, we'll have internet, we'll have smartphones. Haven't we solved it yet? So we actually haven't. Because following United Nations, almost 800 million people are now hungry. It means that every 9th person on Earth hungry right now. And hunger still kills more people than the majority of the diseases on Earth. And of course, it always affects the most vulnerable population. So to address this issue, United Nations established World Food Program, which is now the largest humanitarian organization. We raise more than $5 billion per year, mainly from governments, and we use this money to deliver more than 3 million tons of food to 80 million people in 83 developing countries. We're kind of large organization. We have 50,000 staff members, and 93% of them work in delivering the food in developing countries, so they basically work in the field. So the organization already does quite an incredible job, but of course it's still not enough. So last year, the humanitarian and international community agreed on the new goals for sustainable development. And the second goal is to reach zero hunger by 2030. Which is kind of a very ambitious goal, because if we see the hunger trend and we follow the existing trend, we will reach zero hunger by 2155. So if we're really going to make it to 2030, we really have to change, completely disrupt the way humanitarian aids work. So with this goal in mind, August last year, WFP established a new entity which called Innovation Accelerator. And this is the entity that I'm currently representing. And our mandate is to identify and accelerate innovation which will help humanity to reach zero hunger. So, and that's why I'm standing on this stage, because I would like to propose a challenge for you guys. It's how we can use space technology to help smallholder farmers. And why smallholder farmers? Because almost half of the hunger problem relates to this type of people, to this population. Regarding United Nations, more than 400 million of food insecure people are smallholder farmers. And they're facing a lot of different problems, starting with lack of tools, lack of microfinancial mechanism, and of course, lack of knowledge, information, and lack of technology. So even though the digitalization is already reaching these people, there is still a quite big gap in terms of knowledge, information, and technology. So just to make it clear, when I talk about smallholder farmers, I'm relating to the farmers who have an average half of hectare of land and with average income of 800 euros or dollars per year. And this is actually numbers for Latin America. So if we're talking about, for example, India, this is the half. So it's very vulnerable people. So when we talk with these people, we understand that they really lack the basic information for farming, such as information about the weather condition. They would love to know or to have more information about the extreme natural events. They also lack information about the market, the pricing, and of course, there is a lot can be improved in the way they develop their crops. So this is the question that I would like to ask you guys. It's how might we use space technology and leverage your expertise to help the most vulnerable people on Earth? How might we use space technology to help smallholder farmers? And if your answer really resonates with what we are doing with us, we would love to pilot your idea and your project in Guatemala during the following months. So thank you very much. I'm really looking forward to your ideas and really looking forward to what you guys come up with. Thank you.